Here's a tactic that'll help reduce your stress in a negotiation. Now, many of us put a ton of pressure on ourselves to come up with the most impactful thing to say in a negotiation. Which words can I choose that will make the most difference and get me collaborating with my counterpart, hammer out the deal, save the day? That's a lot of pressure. So if you're sitting across the table from someone and all you're thinking about is, what am I going to say next? You're not listening to them. So one of the lessons I learned from my martial arts experience was the opponent dictates the fight. So in a martial arts context, it took the pressure off us to try to figure out what's the right combination, what's the right strike, and just allow the opponent to dictate the fight, meaning wherever the opponent is open, that is where you strike. It's a simplistic view, but it takes the pressure off and it allows you to flow with the situation. You bring that into a negotiation context, and what that translates into is listening. And this is one of the key attributes, the key skills actually that you need in a negotiation. So next time you're in a negotiation, stop thinking about what you're going to say next and listen to what they are saying now. Be present, truly focus on what they are saying. And you'll be surprised that if you take the focus off what are you going to blurt out next to really listen to what they're saying, your next statement, your next question will build a collaborative approach. You're going to learn a lot more about them and what their needs are and move closer to sealing the deal.